I would recommend it to use for this UAV. I would recommend it to use you 10,000 mAh 10 G-Tech battery with 6 cells, 22.2 volt, 10,000 mAh battery. This battery will gonna provide you a flight time of around 15 to 25 minutes. Now what you need to do with this battery is you need to solder the battery. So you need to cut off these points. So I would recommend it to cut one wire first and then the other, because cutting both the wires together might